Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I am cash stuffing is to save for 6 months of expenses. Now my best part of cash stuffing is going to be savings challenges because number one, they are fun and is an extra way to save money. Now sometimes it could get a little fatigued just saving money every week the same way. I do love my cash envelope system, but I really love my savings challenges. So all the savings challenges featured in this video are from my shop. So we have our monthly savings challenge, which is January to December, and it is a scratch and save. And then we have, of course, the one I've been working on for a while, which is just like random savings challenges in here. So I have birthday, I have roll the dice challenge, which is my favorite, and I'm almost done with it. And I think I'm going to redo it after I finish. And my Christmas challenge, I have my dollar diamond savings challenge, the $5 one, as well as my dollar ice cream challenge. So those will be done today. I think the ice cream one is not going to be done. And then I have my spring savings challenge booklet that I've never did before. So I'm going to do one on here, which is the $5 bag of money. And the goal here is 120. So I will be doing this. And then the money goes in here. Now, somebody had a question because they ordered the budget planner that I have on my website. And on my website, I have the 2024 calendar. But of course, you guys are going to get a 2025 calendar. So this is the calendar right here that you guys are going to get for 2025. So it will come with a 2025. And I'm super excited that somebody did order the budget planner. And like I said, this budget planner is reusable. There's no dates on it. Let me just show you guys really quickly. There is no dates on it. So you put like your bill tracker here, you put your debt tracker here, sinking funds, and savings challenges. And what I like most about this, and I have to fill it out, is the monthly calendar. So you put the month and the year, and then you put the dates. So you'll refer to your 2025 calendar and put in the dates. And then there's notes on this side right here. So yeah, we have the monthly budget as well as the weekly budget right here. And then it has a monthly breakdown because basically it is zero-based budgeting. So basically your goal is always to be at zero with all the funds that come into your home. So this is the weekly. I usually work with my weekly. I erase it with alcohol. You can use a Sharpie with it. And I just love this. It keeps me on track. And then at the end, it basically says like, what goals did you achieve? So I love filling this out at the end of the year. Thank you for ordering the budget planner. Hopefully it helps you out in your time of saving this year. And let's jump into these saving challenges. Okay, so I have a list of savings challenges that I am going to do. So I will be doing a video as well as shorts with my challenges. So I'm going to stick to the games with the shorts. And then basically I just split up the money. So the money you see in the beginning is half of my savings challenge money. And then the other half will go into like my shorts. So the first thing I wanted to cash stuff is going to be our spring savings challenge booklet, which is the money bag. So this is a new challenge that I am doing this year. So once this is complete, I'll just move on to the next challenge, which is going to be 30-week savings challenge. And the goal is $200. So that'll be the next one I'll be doing. So starting off with this one, I'm just going to add $5 to it. So I'll just cross out a $5 here. And this book is also reusable as well. So $5 here. Let's just put a 5 in. No, you know what? Let's use the singles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this. And let's move this over a little bit. There's a lot going on here. Okay. So $5 is going in the envelope. So $5 is going in the envelope. And that completes that savings challenge. Now I want to do my scratch and save, which is my favorite. This and roll the dice challenge is my favorite. So let me get my scratching tool. Okay. So we're going to scratch off one of these and see what we have to put in the envelope. So we're going to start with January. And I think I'm going to scratch off this one right here. So let's see how much is going to go in here. Like I said, these are like fun ways to save money. Well, they're fun to me, maybe not fun to others, but I feel like this is just an extra way to save money in a fun way. So we have $5 here. Let's use the $5 bill for this one. And it's all the way up to December. Okay, so we have that right there done. Okay, now moving on to my savings challenge booklet. So let's start from the beginning because I think I'm saving in all of them. Okay, so my birthday savings challenge, we are going to save $5 in this one. So we're just going to color in one of the presents. And then we're going to add $5 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far in here we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $30 in birthday. And when I'm done with my challenges, they go into my 6 months of expenses as well as my sinking funds. So that will go like in the birthday cash stuffing envelope that I have. Okay, roll the dice challenge. When I complete this one, I'll split it into both binders. So roll the dice challenge. Let me just get my dice out. And I'm almost done with this. And the goal here is $105. Okay, so I got a 3. So let's take out $3. And I actually don't have a 3 on here. So I think I'm going to just do all the ones because I finished with all my 3s. So let's just do all the ones. So we need a green one. An orange one. And then let's do the purple one. Let me see if I find my purple right here. Okay, and let's just add the $3 to this. Okay, so in this right here, I wonder if all the money is, nope, it's not in order. So let me just put the big bills towards the front. Okay. So in here we have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So we have a total of $86. And remember, the goal is 105. Okay, the next challenge I'm going to do is my Christmas challenge, and that's going to get $5. Now, I wanted to complete this before Christmas, but I don't think it's going to happen. But it will still go in like the holiday folder when it is complete. So we're just going to color in one, and we're going to add $5 to this, and the goal for this one is $125. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have a total of $30 in here. So we have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $30 there. Okay, now for my dollar savings challenge, How much do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have $5. So I think I'm going to add $3 to my dollar savings challenge and $2 to my ice cream savings challenge. So let's do this one first. I'm just going to cross out 3 diamonds and add $3 to that. So now we have a total in here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have a total of $18 in here. And then the dollar ice cream challenge is going to be brand new. So that's going to only have $2. Okay. And let's do it in purple. Okay, so let's cross out 2 of them. And again, guys, this is all available in my shop. These are sold like individually if you want the challenge itself. So that's going to be all for my savings challenges. And then I have money here to do the shorts savings challenge. And basically with the shorts, I use my Easter eggs. I don't know if you've seen that video. So I do have challenges inside of here, and I use this. And I also use my spin the wheel. It's this right here. So big on the screen, but yeah, that's basically it. And I have like all my challenges written on here, and I do shorts with that as well. Like I said, just little fun ways to save money. I had somebody comment on TikTok before like, oh, this is such a childish way to save money, but honestly, if it makes me happy, I like the way I save money. So this is going to be for that, and I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20 there for my shorts. And then as far as my 100 envelope challenge, I will be doing that next week. So I have to take that out of my budget. So we have to do number 26 in here, and I'm honestly super excited like to finish this, and I think I'm gonna finish this by this year. So the goal here is $5,050, and I can't wait to finish that up. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, the budget planner is going to get a 2025 calendar. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.